So today we are over at the in-laws, ain't we, Steph?
Yeah.
This is what we're cleaning today. Really excited. So we'll show you some before and afters in this video. Just waiting for the tank to fill up. We'll set you up on time lapse now. So what we're doing now, I've just gone around the edges, getting the big chunks of weeds up. There's obviously some here. But what I'm curious to try is this surface cleaner. Again, I don't know if the machine's powerful enough to power it. Got a 15-inch surface cleaner. It's only one of those cheap ones from Amazon, but you know, we've all got to start somewhere. So yeah, I'll switch it back to time lapse and we'll give it a go. If it don't work, it don't work, but I'm curious to try. I need to get into the habit of filming it this way around. I've got a few that way and that way. So we're not overly impressed with the surface cleaner. It's got a lot of the surface stuff off, obviously, which we expected, but there's a lot of bits still stuck. This bit's the worst down here. You can see it all the way up there. And a few streaks here from Steph's attempt. We'll review the footage, it's fine.
Yeah, we will.
We had to go over these. They've done okay, but we're going to give it a go over with the turbo nozzle anyway, and at the end, a bit of hypo. Yeah, so back to time lapse. Looks like meat's back on the menu, boys.
I love somebody, ain't that just beautiful? Don't let that scare you. No one believes a single word you say. I like the way you think. Let's take this all the way. I'm tired of waiting, 'cause this feels like something. Tell me I don't make it so.
So that's the wash done. Happy with the results so far. Got a nice pattern brick really. So what we're doing now is Steph's having a little go around. Look at all the weeds that we couldn't get up.
Not many.
No, not many. I think the worst bits were here. Where are we? There we are. So not many. And then we're going to hypo it. And yeah. So back over to the time lapse.
Why don't you try me? I thought they saw your way. Stones in that water. Don't look down, it's further than you think. You got that style and grace. Tongue-tied and stuttering. Calm down, I'm waiting. Let's run to someday, but without a word, somehow you
So now driveway is all done. We're gonna have to come back another day to resand it. It's just not as sunny as we was hoping for. Now Steph's excited to try out her new trolley.
And I already don't know how to work it. No man, I'm being stupid.
Yeah, you are. Hold it. See?
Okay, gimme.
You gotta angle that brush a bit more. Careful. So Steph's usually the window cleaner. She does most of the windows because my shoulders are knackered.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. So we can clean our mess that we've made and come back another day to resand it. I'm going to leave Steph to it while I pack away the van.
ain't that just beautiful? Catching every green light, oh, we could do this all night long. Like, give me that heart if you want it.
So I just thought I'd pause the time lapse here and show you these little things. Zoom out. Absolutely amazing to store the hoses, and I've even got one for the trigger down there. So what they are is literally little Velcro fits there and creates a loop. Got them on Amazon. I will put a link in the description if anyone's interested. I just literally screw these little hooks in, although that one seems to be coming out, which is not good. I'll fix that in a minute. I've got these to fit at some point, some heavy duty loops. Just to give us a bit more organisation. I'm just waiting for that to empty so that can go there. And I'll get the rest of all that loaded. Pressure washing days are fun, but you don't often need a bit of equipment. And we are done. All that's left to go in is that trolley, which will go there. There. Doesn't roll around too much. Yeah, we don't have a lot of space, but hey, we're just getting started again, so not too bad.